Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. And if you true to this and not new to this, welcome back. Today what I have for you is a that's right, 2-ingredient pizza dough. The kids are out of school for the summer and you want something easy for them to make. This pizza dough is simple and easy. If you want more easy recipes for the summer, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, turn on your notifications, comment, like, and share the video. So let's grab our 2 ingredients and let's get started. All right, y'all, I told you 2 ingredients, right? Well, I ain't lied to you. Here's ingredient number 1, self-rising flour. And number 2 is plain Greek yogurt. Make sure it's self-rising flour, not all-purpose, and make sure it's plain Greek yogurt. Don't get flavored. All right, so actually, you know what? I'm doubling my recipe here because my daughter, Cadence, who y'all are gonna meet, wanted one type of pizza, and I wanted something different. So I added 3 cups of self-rising flour, and to that, 2.5 cups of plain Greek yogurt. Then I grabbed me a wooden spoon, and then I'm taking my time, y'all. Y'all see, I'm not being too rough. I'm not being tough, you know, because you don't want a rough and tough pizza dough, right? So take your time. And then I saw that the dough ball was starting to form, so then I switched to my hands just to, you know, help the process along. And you see, I'm still being gentle. I'm not going too fast. You know, y'all get it, right? So let me tell you, if you start to see that there's a lot of excess flour down in the bottom of your bowl, don't think that you messed up, because we're going to use that flour a little bit later. Okay, remember I told you we're going to use some of that excess flour down in the bottom of the bowl? Look what we're about to do. Bam! Right there on a clean, dry surface. Take some of that excess flour and spread it around, because you're going to turn your dough out onto the clean, dry surface. And all that flour helps from having the dough start to get sticky, okay? So that's what you needed the flour for. And you're still being real gentle at this point. Just pressing in all of the little bits of dough that are not fully incorporated into the larger pizza dough. Okay, and so I saw some big pieces still in my bowl. I'm grabbing those and just pressing them in just like this. Okay, I think at this point right here, it's as incorporated as it's going to be. And this, y'all, is what you're looking for. Just like that. So the only thing left for me to do is to divide this into 2 equal parts so that I can give one to the little girl so she can go ahead and make her pizza. And then I got one for me. So as a matter of fact, when y'all get the recipe, double it, triple it, do it ×4. Have a whole pizza party. Get you some different sauces and toppings. You know what? Speaking of sauces, if we're going to make homemade pizza dough, then I think that we should make homemade pizza sauce. Here's one of my sauce recipes coming up. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications so you get the recipe, and comment down below. Tell me what y'all think. Like the videos and share them too. See y'all next time. Bye.